In this video, you'll learn how to make money selling digital products on Stan Store. This guide explains the process of creating a product, adding it to your store, setting a price, publishing and promoting your store link effectively. To begin, navigate to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you are on the main page of your store, look for the option labeled My Store in the menu. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you manage your products and settings. Next, locate the button labeled Plus Add Product. This button is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Clicking this will open a new menu where you can choose the type of product you want to create. Select the option for digital product to proceed. After selecting the digital product option, you will be prompted to upload your file. This could be an ebook, template, guide, or checklist. Ensure that the file you choose meets the size limits specified by Stan Store. Large files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed, so be prepared for that. Once the file is uploaded, you will be directed to a screen where you can set a price for your product. Prices can typically range from $5 to $29. Choose a price that reflects the value of your product while remaining competitive in the market. After setting the price, look for the option to publish the product. This is usually a button labeled Publish or something similar. Clicking this will make your product available for purchase in your store. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your product has been successfully published. With your product live, it's time to promote your store link. You can share this link on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Consider creating engaging content that highlights your product to attract potential buyers. Make sure to include a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to check out your store. As people purchase your digital products, payments will be processed automatically through Stan Store. This streamlined approach allows you to focus on creating more products and promoting your store without worrying about manual payment processing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.